Countdown time will be 8 plus 3, 4.
Ayan guys, we're gonna open our Oppo Reno 5 with this smartwatch, which is free when you buy this Oppo Reno 5. So we're gonna start with our smartwatch. What's inside this box? So, ayan siya. This is the free smartwatch from Oppo. It comes with its free strap and this smartwatch. We're gonna look what's inside the box pa. Free charger, syempre. And the user manual. Ito siya. Yan. By the way guys, tinry na namin ito kasama yung sales representative na nakita ko at pinatry at pinaconnect na namin to dun sa Oppo. But this is, it's free watch. Ayan siya. So message, yan, can you see it? So it comes with the ECG, the sleep mode, music, alarm clock, and stopwatch. Tapos meron din siyang timer, messages. So once it's linked sa inyong cellphone, yung mga messages is pwede mong i-view dito sa message. And then connection. Yan. Tapos yan. And the settings. So ito yung itsura ng free watch ng ating Oppo. Yan, I'm sorry. Yan. Ganyan yung itsura ng ating free Oppo. Yan guys. Yan siya. So after nating inopen yung free smartwatch from Oppo, we're gonna open now our Oppo Reno 5. So we're gonna open it. So sa box pa lang is very different na from mga ibang Oppo. So by the way guys, I'm using my Oppo A92 pang video. Ito yung box ng Oppo A92, and this is the Oppo Reno 5. We're gonna open it. So ano kaya ang laman and what will this Oppo Reno 5 will bring us? Ayan. This is what's inside the box. This free pin, user manual and warranty card, and this free case. At lahat yata ng Oppo ngayon merong free case, no? Pati yung Oppo A92 ko is merong case din. So here's the Oppo Reno 5, pero ilalagay muna natin siya sa gilid because we're gonna look what more inside this box. Ayan. It comes with its free headset. Ito siya, free headset. And this 3.5 cord. So 3.5 cord. And this charger, very different siya kasi medyo mabigat siya. Dahil ito yung sinasabi ni Oppo na super fast charger. No? Tingnan niyo po, it's super VOOC or VOOC. Ito yon. And we'll go to our Oppo Reno 5. Listen ko muna. Paano ba to? Ayan. Ayan. Ito yung sa likod niya, which is maganda siya kasi may added texture sa likod, which is more easier when it comes to grip. And ito yung Fantasy Silver. No? So tingnan nyo. Sa yung paghawak, so once you hold it, merong iba-ibang color na binibigay siya. Yan. Sa harap, ito naman siya. Yan. So we're gonna open our Oppo at hintayin lang natin siyang mabukas. So, ayan siya guys. Dahil doon sa mismong Oppo ay tinry na namin siya. At nag-install na din kami ng mga application. On some applications, kaya may lumilitaw na. No? Yan. This is for you to look at it. So ito yung screen niya is 6.4 inches. At yung resolution ng phone is 1080 times 2400 pixels siya. Comes with its Corning Gorilla Glass 3 for its protection. By the way guys, Android 11, Color OS 11.1. So, ito din yung, para alam nyo na to, Snapdragon 720, octa-core na, at yung GPU is Adreno 618. Dito sa side is yung kanyang volume up and volume down. By the way guys, nakikita nyo ba ito? Yan. So, pindutin mo lang siya. At ito yung kanyang pagkakaiba sa ibang phone. Kasi yung aking Reno, ay yung aking A92, sa side siya. Pero ito ay sa gitna. So, ayan. Ayan siya. Diba? So, punta tayo sa camera. So, ito yung camera niya. Yung main camera is 64. 64. 8 megapixels. 2 megapixels for macro and 2 megapixels for depth. Ito yung flashlight naman niya. At yung ibang features niya ay nasa susunod. Selfie camera. Ito yon, yung punch hole sa taas. 44 megapixels, which is very high for a front camera. Loudspeaker, 3.5mm jack. So, yun yung kayang ibigay sa atin. So, review naman natin yung camera niya. So, ayan. Can you see it, guys? So, this is the camera. This is the video. So, ayan. Tapos, scene enhancement for the photo. Google Lens. Original. Fresh. These are the filters. The HDR. And yan. How this gonna zoom. Tapos, this is the video. Ultra steady. Yan, sobrang bilis siya. Very responsive sa paglipat-lipat. And then, what more? Pro. Portrait. And more. The dual view video. This is the dual view video. The slow-mo. Expert. Text scanner. The macro and sticker and all. Let's gonna view this. Can you see it, guys? Ayan, ganyan siya. So, nakikita nyo yung aking Oppo A92, which I am using. And yung kayang ibigay. So, nag-iiba din siya. Ayan. The whole video. Tapos, pwede siyang mag-iba. It can be round. Ayun, nasa taas ka. Nakita nyo ba? It can be round. And it can be rectangle. Ito parang may ka-video call ka. Ka-video call mo yung sarili mo. Ayan. And the split. By the way, guys, this is an Oppo Reno 5 4G. No? So, I'm gonna show you some of the pictures na na-capture namin using this Oppo. Ayan, guys. Kahit zoom mo pa is napaganda. Thank you, guys, for watching. For me, if I'm gonna rate this Oppo Reno 5 from 1 to 10 with its design and effect sa likod and yung grip, I'm gonna give a rate of 10. With its camera naman, absolutely 10 to. At yung kayang gawin ng Oppo Reno 5, for me, it's 10. So, thank you guys for watching, and I'm thinking, and I inviting you to look at and buy this Oppo Reno 5 and subscribe to this channel.